It's all about Weekend Smile, guys. Welcome back. So, there are many persons who are skeptical about dating apps and, if they really work. However, Jeremy and Zelania Watkis were fortunate to have found each other and are blissfully in love. And they zoom in now to tell us all about it. Hi, guys. Welcome to Weekend Smile. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Morning, guys. Let me tell you something. It's one to look alike, though.
Don't
I
it?
don't know. You're sure they don't related? No, seriously. You look alike, you know?
No, them
Like they say when you're together, they say that when you're together, you start to look like.
yeah, when you're together over
That
a
is
certain time.
crazy.
So I know that when it comes to like Tinder specifically, a lot of persons go on that dating app to, explore, probably have some fun. I think Tinder have a little, people have a lot to say about Tinder. So tell me, why did you guys decide to go on Tinder?
All right, so I decided to go on Tinder because it was in the middle of the lockdown, and we just needed to socialize, and I needed to just communicate, talk to people and stuff. So that's why I went on it. It was recommended to me from a friend. And I said, okay, let me try this out because the whole lockdown thing, Andrew just was just locking down the place. So that's why I went on it.
I went on it for almost the same reason. I thought that I could find true love, strangely, on Tinder, right? So I went on it wanting to find commitment in a partner. That's
Okay.
what I went. And of course, we could not socialize. It was about August or July 2020. So it was full lockdown mode. We couldn't socialize.
Okay.
So, Jeremy and Zelania, you both have to tell me now, what was it about the other person's profile that made you interested? That make you have to just click on it and say, all right, he looks interesting. All right, she looks good.
Yeah, for me, it was like I was there swiping, right? Just swiping. And then this girl come up, right? And she was in a short wig, which I now know it's the pixie cut.
Hey.
Like, there's something that like what you have on your rocking now, Debbie.
Yeah.
Where it's the pixie cut. So and her head was still to the side with a bright smile.
Yes,
And I was
hey.
like, and a round face. And the face was round, and I was like, ooh, what is this? And then I swipe right, she's in a carnival uniform. This is what the pictures. I was just going through her pictures, and I see her carnival picture, and I was like, all right. That's leaving to swipe right.
So you got caught with the smile and the carnival body.
Yes.
Let me hear you know.
Yes, Zelania, tell us what caught you with Jeremy.
So for me, his whole aura felt very welcoming. Alongside his looks, I thought that he was a good charmer, and one of his images were black and white. And
Okay.
I always get drawn to black and white, and I feel like the person is very artistic and have some depth. There was that of a difference in him at the time. So I said, wow, okay, interesting.
So hold on now. Debbie,
That's a very interesting. So who reached out to who first? Like, how did the link up happen?
Well, she swiped right first.
Oh.
You see all of this lovely chocolate, handsome man and swipe right first, yeah? And then I swipe and realized the match.
All right.
Oh.
I have to ask you guys, is this the first time you used a dating app?
For me, yes.
Okay.
First
Dating
time,
app, yes.
first dating app.
Da-
Everything, Instagram, social media, so it's not dating.
Did you ever think that you'd find love from these, I'd say hundreds of thousands of millions of people who are actually on Tinder and use this app? Did you ever think that you'd find your person?
For me, going in as commitment, needing that, soulmate type of person, I tried maybe 3, 4 times going on and off, but some way, somehow I feel like, maybe this man is just still out there and I just need to give it one more chance. So yeah, in a sense, I feel like I was going to.
Okay.
Okay. And the first date, was it everything that you imagined it was? Because I know meeting people on an app is one thing, but then see me on app and see me in person is two different
That is,
things.
that is true. That is true.
Right. What was that experience like meeting up for the first time?
Well, for me, my meeting, when I saw her, and this was in our work element, I saw her, she was wearing the same pixie wig, right? With a blue denim long blouse with a blue denim jeans and black high heel. I remember that because she just looked so amazing.
All
And
right.
then when I saw her, it was like, all right, short, thick. My type. Seller. It was just my type. It was like, all right, get the camera. This camera.
Oh, no, let me tell you what I love. I love the fact that Jeremy still a surprise Zelania, I know. Listen, like,
It's like she didn't know
I
these
love
things.
that. She said, what? I didn't know this. I didn't know this side of Jeremy.
No, guys. Zelania, what about you? How was that first date for you? The first time you saw Jeremy in person, what were you thinking?
For me, the very first time I saw him, I was trying to put the picture with the voice and meeting him and the butterflies, and it took a while to all connect. I think it was nerves too on my end.
Oh, wow.
So for the very first time in my entire life, I probably was uncertain in connecting voice, person.
You're just trying to put it all together. Like, okay, is it matching? Is it making sense?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
But now that you guys are married, how has that experience been for you?
Wonderful. One
Amazing.
word for me, wonderful.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. It's like you find your best friend in an app. I don't know, it connected us without we knowing each other, just by pictures. We actually like each other, so we just go ahead with that. So after when we start communicating and talking over the phone, it's like I would always tell her, like, we have years worth of conversation over the phone. It's like it just feel like years in like a couple of months.
So it was natural. It was very natural.
Yeah.
We both wanted a good, solid, secure partner.
Yeah.
And we
Wow.
were just by chance able to find each other on Tinder.
How long were you guys dating before you decided to, tie the knot
Yeah.
and you decided to just pop the question?
7 months.
7 months.
7 months. 7 months.
Okay. How long you been married now?
2 months.
January, yeah.
January this year. This 2 months. That's 2 months. We're going on strong.
Yeah, I realize, and you know what I love about you too? I mean, I love the fact that you guys are just going along with the ride of it all. You are finding out more about each other daily. You're looking like you're having a wonderful time still. That's
Yeah.
great. And so many persons are apprehensive about dating online and going through an app to find their special person. Having had this experience, what would you say to them?
All right, so we're gonna do this a different way, right? I'm gonna talk to the females to let them know how the dating app works, or man view it. And I'm gonna let my wife talk to the male, how they can better approach and better, finding their loved one.
All right.
So for me, for a female, she don't have to, I just would really like, what I saw in Zelania was just a very outgoing person, a very strong individual, and I really draw to that, her strongness as a woman, and she's very nurturing. So I draw to that, and her conversation was very smooth, was just very easygoing, and it was just lovely. And that's what I love about her. So for the females, when you see the guys, you can tell them right off the bat who is here for, hook up, and who is here to like, hey, I'm looking for a commitment.
All right.
But you can tell them right off the bat. So once they come to you and say, hey babes, or hey beautiful, or your eyes just shine bright like this morning sun. When you get all of them lyrics there right off the bat, you know so they don't know good because I tell them secret, every man's supposed to hit me, I know.
Jeremy, you have all of the guys in the studio. All of the guys that been sitting there running, we say, why the man I give you all of the secret, man?
Well, the secret, you know?
Jeez,
But you know, I'm tough for females because I just don't like to see the females them be like quote unquote yummy, you know?
Yeah.
That's right.
So that's my 2 cents.
Okay. And Zelania, before we go.
For the males, no female really wants to hear the hey babes, honey, sweetie right off the bat. We want to know that you have more, up here. Let us think more depth. You come off more educational. Come with more energy to your conversation than just a hookup. Because sometimes you find somebody that may not be there for that, and then in essence, come to you, get drawn to you because you come with commitment and they never they think that way and they say, oh wow, this person's so nice. Then take me, oh, we have a good conversation, can show them to my parents.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Listen, I need to, guys, I need to go out with both Jeremy and Zelana. We need for the lunch or something with both of you. You guys are hilarious and I love this story. I wish you both all the very best with your marriage, you know, and continue to be each other's friends and grow and blossom and
love us
bloom
too.
and love each other's. Yes, I love that.
Awesome stuff,
Listen,
guys.
boy, I tell you.
You guys are all the very best, guys. Thank you so much, Jeremy and Zelania. Oh my goodness.
Thank you, Liz.
Congratulations.
What a never-ending love story. We love to hear it, right? Stay tuned, guys. We'll be right back.